Good morning, Ekaro, Inakwananku, Otutuoma, Better Trowe Salutes now we they give everybody this beautiful, beautiful day. Today we humble because we know say we late. So we dey very humble. We are greeting you now. Say good afternoon, sir, and mums. Good morning, sorry, sir, and mums, and daddies, and mummies, and uncles, nephew, anyone. We have greeted you one. We are very sorry. It's the problem that this computer used to give person. Oh, especially if it's a live joke like our own like this. The problem the computer used to give person, yeah, you never expected it. And it's very bad. So sorry.
Sorry.
A bit beg.
Sorry. We beg. Sorry.
We will not do it again.
Sorry, we will not do it again.
Yes.
We will not do it again. Sorry.
You forgive us?
We forgive us.
All right.
Know that song? Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma. That English I speak. Good morning, ma. Good morning, sir. That English I speak. The people you know and the language they speak are different, you know. The people you know and the language they speak are different, you know. Ekaro ma, ekaro sa. That Yoruba I speak. You go just go boarding school.
Hey, don't try. You don't try. All this song when we say they're going to sing up for front, and for back, going to put another thing. The kind Mama Jollof rice type of song. Now going to put them for back.
It's bright and fair. Oh, happy day. The day of joy. The day is bright. It's bright and fair. Oh, happy day of joy.
Mama Jollof rice. You know, as that one at the height of them, we the only wait to make it reach the end. You can't hear us from back. We'll just shout, Mama Jollof rice. And they tell you this thing. All right, today Trowe Salutes they greet everybody for inside PADI because now all of us they do this show together. You understand me now? Because we feel so on a day there.
Yes.
Now it make us they talk this thing because if we not feel so on a day our back, we no go fit do this thing. So shout out to all of now where they watch PADI.
Shout out to all of now.
And the people where know they watch and you are Milsey. So we get a video to start with you. But why just they let me they talk? They will just say that maybe lead role for today.
No, you know say hype man day.
Okay, they back up.
They would like the 2 days where they do hype for back.
Okay,
so like, you know, you will talk about he.
So we get video for una this morning. You know, we go just give you the wrong package. We go give you yarn the yarn. Come back and give you laugh the laugh before we fall out, come up from inside the studio. But for now, we will just give you the video real quick. You know, you get me now?
Yeah.
Yes. So Ogbolo, you know, tell them the video real quick.
So the video right now is a video. We coming back.
Yeah.
In times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. In the hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be.
Let it be.
That was so beautiful.
Let it be, let it be. Yeah. Oh, something, let it be. Oh, yeah, let it be, let it be, yeah. Oh, hey.
You know, just get one talent. Even to raise your leg, one talent.
No, I try now.
You know, get.
What's wrong with yes.
One talent. You see, one.
Old age not come. But
what?
Beautiful video. Beautiful video. You understand? That thing really tell you something.
Yeah.
If I saw this guy they beg for road, if I see you now, if I'll just play I'll carry the video they play for inside. And if I just see hold up, Just say, oh, God, make it.
I go just play the video for
let
you.
it be.
Because everybody gets one thing when
exactly.
they good at.
Exactly. If you don't get
one
hand,
thing.
that
Like this mumu, where they near me now. If they use in mumu to make money. If this guy give you comedy, he's a very good comedy person. You understand me now? It's a good comedy. Me now, I can do wonders with people's face.
Yes, on the makeup P.
You understand? So everybody gets one talent. Use your talent and do something for yourself. Don't be begging.
Different type of talent there. Some the thief, some get you understand.
You go just enter Yandy and now.
No be talent. Some their hand they gum anything.
Keep quiet. You keep quiet.
Some no be joke.
I go wound you.
Some sell market for night. So,
you don't go keep quiet your mouth just now. All right. I'm gonna wound you. Based on this election matter where they come now. We don't hear say now for inside some particular states, for inside north, that one are the northeastern parts of the country. Them say it be like say they no go hold election for that side because of the disturbances where they around that side. Places like Borno, Adamawa, and even Yobe, they go get small roi because the chairman of INEC will be Atahiru Jega. Don't talk say go hard small to hold election for those kind of places. And we don't need to explain why. We don't need to explain why because everybody there are aware, of the kind of things where they happen for that particular surrounding. So to conduct election for that particular area, I want to press PO. You get me now? Because,
anything.
Yeah. So that almost you see as I just deliver that thing now, like person when they read news. And they tell you this thing. See, my talent plenty.
You too
forget.
proud. See, my problem with you be this
people
one.
pride na talent. If you talk to me now, stand up now, my head come off inside short.
Oh yeah, try him.
Then go kill me for back.
It's a mistake, oh. I'm not part of it, oh. It's a Mayowa P.
It's not mistake. Now you say make I stand up. Now you say make I stand up in my head for fall.
Okay, Mayowa, go ahead fire.
I go slap you, know me that type.
All right, quickly, my own gist for this morning. A sugar daddy somebody. A sugar daddy P. A sugar daddy somebody. For all you sugar daddies in the atmosphere. See, seriously, the way God will take punish plenty people. Not be joke. Una they collect our future wife. They go corner. Wherever my own day now, behave yourself. I hope say the village they pound you out. But one particular bros, he go see baby one titi for inside university, one banking and finance chick for Ebonyi State University, EBSU for Abakaliki. Say me go see him, babe. Na normal thing we let's do. Just go there, go see him smally. The man there in his 60s and a father of 4. Now this particular bros babe. I said, we can go meet him, babe, on a good day. Just get the call that morning, say, and she get her own boyfriend. But that particular day, she just get call from the girl. So me them hook up for one particular hotel. Now more they go see me, they do every. And when normal people always do, on the touchlight in P. You get as the man reached there, from nowhere, now her boyfriend show up. The boyfriend just showed up and whether she plan with the boyfriend, nobody know. Because based on what the police come they talk last, they say, like, say the girl connive. Now me say join hand with her boyfriend. Say, okay, this particular guy more threatening her like this. He'll collect money for your hand. In the process of all the drama and everything, the man died.
Choi.
He have died now. Yeah. This New Year, when people they celebrate, say New Year, oh, good things go happen, no. Now so the guy buy inside that particular place, all of the joint hand put so. As a matter of being now, police don't chook head for the whole thing. Say, the thing now is investigation things. Now they're on top of the whole level now. So all you sugar that is them. Now New Year be this. Take a new leave.
Ugly.
Anything can happen.
You know, say when people die, obituary, they go talk say
we regret to
announce the passing away of
or
our brother,
say,
husband.
Gratitude to God for a life
well
spent.
Yes, for a life well spent. Yes. He died by a brief illness, or he was killed in a motor accident, or there was an assassination, or this or that. This kind of one, waiting you want to. He was dead. He was dead.
No, so some people just they go by. We not go even sorrow for the whole thing, because you all look say father of 4, you still get wife join.
Rubbish die.
You not do. You see one go, the
you die, rubbish die.
Oh, sorry, this guy die. How you want to answer question for everywhere for that place? When you finally reach.
At least when people die, you die alone. So you have died, you won't die by yourself.
You can't reach that place now. That's one say you go say. Aye.
For example, just do like say now we don't enter heaven. Now me be God now. Now you be I know say I know if you be God, but let's say now me be the angel where they ask the question before you enter. And now you can be the man where die. You understand? So my son, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Why are you here before your time? Because according to register, you still have like 79 more years to live.
I went to preach the word of God. to that small girl in the university. I come and reach there. You know your word says,
Don't not blasphemy. No blasphemy. We know we can see everything. Why? What happened?
This is
truth happened.
This is my result. It has never happened before. Don't look at the one under. That one is bad result. You know.
Wow.
Yes.
You have used your instrument of satisfaction for your wife, for somebody else, and then they heal you in the process.
No, not my hobby, that one. My hobby, this one.
See, I can see that is what you do. Be casted into the eternal something.
It's not me fella be that.
Oh, God, not keep quiet your mouth.
No, na just joke, na joke, na joke.
We get break, we dey come back.
Na joke, na joke.